State signing a Texas-style near-total ban on abortion into law, making abortions illegal about 6 weeks after conception.
The news comes on the heels of a confirmed Supreme Court leak as protesters gather outside the high court.
Yeah, that leak showing Roe v. Wade, the landmark case protecting the right to an abortion, may soon be overturned. Capitol reporter Storm Jones has what a post-Roe environment could look like here in the Sooner State.
Well, Carl and Amanda, Oklahoma is one of more than a dozen states that would prohibit nearly all abortion should Roe v. Wade be overturned. Legislative leaders say the immediate effects would be felt.
If the court hands down a decision, the trigger law would immediately come into effect.
The so-called trigger law, already in state statute, would repeal more than 130 laws regulating legal abortions in Oklahoma, instead implementing laws making the procedure a felony.
We would take their physician's license from them, we would charge them with a felony, and they would have a penalty up to 10 years in prison, up to a $100,000 fine.
It seems abortions currently being performed in clinics like this one will be among the last legal abortions performed in Oklahoma clinics. Just how long it'll be until these facilities are shuttered remains uncertain. Whether later this week or later this summer, both sides acknowledge the clock is ticking.
I anticipate that we would become probably one of the most, if not the most pro-life states in the nation.
That looks like abortion clinics immediately shutting down. That's what they've told us. And so I think that at that point, you'll see people who have had appointments scheduled, those appointments will be canceled.
Under the trigger law, there would be no exception for rape.
Why would we want to punish the baby for the sins of the father?
Nor incest.
These people, they may have some disability, they may not, but they still are humans that have the same right to life.
And the U.S. Supreme Court decision is expected to officially be handed down sometime this summer. In the meantime, the new abortion ban signed into law by Governor Stitt earlier today takes effect immediately. Storm Jones, Oklahoma's own News 9.